So I wanted to try if you can edit the GoPro footage in camera. Like so, I leave the footage on the camera, on the SD card, inside the camera, then I connect to my computer and I use a software like Final Cut Pro, for example, to... What is he doing here? They are like crazy right now. Look at this. The noise he makes. He's crying and trying to get her. And they have the zoomies here. Look at this. How does she have so much energy? You are like crazy. You're a crazy dog. Huh? So I was saying I use this footage that is on the SD card inside the camera with a program like Final Cut Pro and edit it and then export it for upload to YouTube. And I'm going to see how this works. So this is very short footage and then I'm going to screen record what I do in Final Cut.